woken up with so much water. Right, let's make a coffee then, sir. Is that George Rolfe is going off?
You're bald, isn't it?
You're bald, isn't it? What are you playing with, man?
Party time. Food cell pouch.
Yeah, it's awesome. That's DCF, is it?
DCF from Trad like yeah. Lee bought the weekend, I think it was called. I think it's for that night.
Yeah.
I went for the
Plenty of
regular.
space on that.
You get a week's worth of food in there, I think. A sky trail now. I'm into a trail here. Sort of Windmaster.
It's smart.
I bought the Triflex port support for it as well. It just makes it a little bit lighter.
Yeah, like yeah.
Like that was ideal for like, you know, cooking steak and something that supports it well, doesn't it?
Yeah.
You get the Triflex, so you just with boiling water.
Yeah.
It's like 60 odd grams.
Right.
It's got a piezo igniter on it. Really good in the wind. Don't need to take no wind guard with it or nothing, you know what I mean?
Yeah. This is Nathan's belly fluff. He collects this weekly.
Straight from his belly button.
Straight from the belly button. He manages to fill up
That's what you call your belly button, the tumble.
two bags full every week he goes through. And he brings it for firelight and equipment.
Oh, yeah.
I saw my baby crying hard as babies cry. Second free.
Oh, is it?
Yeah. Making free,
yeah.
free, making free.
I'll really change it.
Might not change it. Just make sure it's downstairs.
That's that baby.
Making free.
Firelighting challenge. How quick can he get a flame? The timer started. Oh, he's on about 15 seconds so far.
15 seconds, look out.
Using a bit of Vaz. Nearly. He's got it. 48 seconds.
Leave no trace.
Grass has gone up.
Leave no trace. Leave no trace, pal.
Little jerky, or is it King's? Just King's.
Tesco's, I think it is.
Horrible. This is the one to get. Jack Links.
Jack Links.
Cheap as well.
I can't remember how much I paid for it, that.
Small ones like 125 or something.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Nice. We've got to maintain the flame on mine.
Yeah.
You've got to maintain the flame. You've got to maintain the flame. There's no preparation on this. Oh. Gotta maintain it. You gotta maintain it. You gotta maintain it.
There you go.
I don't put all my on my
There you go. Maintain.
Not bad. Very similar.
Ecuador. Right, I may have a problem here. Wait, no. I may have a problem.
Or hear a voice.
This is quite deep.
Just be thankful that you're not alone. You've got someone.
My game, yeah. Love was the furthest from my heart, yeah. Guaranteed with.
We got a major water situation.
I surrender. I surrender.
Oh, I didn't hope for you.
Go on, give it a splash, Nate. I'm supposed to be on my bed here.
Oh, no, don't. I'm going to get cold.
Come on, one more time.
No. Ah.
Good slicks.
There's cold water.
Yeah, my bed's supposed to be going here, like. Jesus. Ah. Volky's on.
Running through ya, feel love coming through ya. Go with you beside me. Hold on, heaven got it red lights. Just ain't good. Hold on, much stronger. No, I'm red light. See the red light. It's a danger warning.
The water in the bottom of that.
I'm your turbo lover.
What do you got on the go here?
Monsoon and some mushrooms.
Some monster.
A bit of Irish stout.
Poppy's open. She's open. Nathan's on the gammon.
Gammon whammon.
You got some duck out that, have you?
Yeah.
That's the way, man.
We still persevering with that titanium pan, aren't we?
Yeah.
Truck it. Just put that hammer down and give it here.
That's a big old stick, man. Look at that.
Woohoo.
Na 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 na.
And the town of and the waves will quietly pass me by. Oh, sweet child of mine. Oh, sweet child of mine.
Got a river going through the tent. This side of the bed, pretty dry. This side, it's a sea. Never woken up with so much water. There's a river coming through here. You can't see how deep it is, can you? Right, let's make a coffee then, sir. I was the only thing dry on that. I was just sleeping on my life raft. The cans are floating away.
Never.
It's where I camped, look. Picked the perfect spot there, didn't I?